Morning, dog. How are you, my friend?
Hey, thank you.
I'm okay. Thank you so much. I'm here for the summer glow combo for dark spots and brightening body wash.
And for dark areas.
Dark areas from the face and the whole body, brightening body wash. How much is it? You should call it.
This is also nice for skin and face. It's a pure soap.
No problem. I've been using it. It's good. Look at my face. Thank you so much. And dog, I have a friend of mine that's sick and he's been losing weight. You tell me this.
Just add 2 teaspoons 3 times a day.
On milk, water.
Milk or yogurt is better.
Yeah.
And what it does is, it's going to help her pick up weight nicely.
Okay, thank you
Just
so
get
much.
used to that.
I will.
She phoned me, we did a video consult, but this is better.
She said I must pick it up for her. Yeah. For weight, body weight. When you have lost weight, you can't eat, call us. Hillwood Medical Center in Mhlanga.
And that's a medical formulation.
Summer body combo. Thank you.